गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज जिस टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने जा रहा हूँ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। यूनिट फर्स्ट बिजनेस स्टडी ऑफ क्लास 12 जो कि है नेचर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट। बेसिकली नेचर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट में 3 कैटेगरी आता है। मैनेजमेंट एज ए आर्ट, मैनेजमेंट एज ए साइंस एंड मैनेजमेंट एज ए प्रोफेशन। फर्स्ट विल टॉक अबाउट द मैनेजमेंट एज ए आर्ट. Art means the person should have a specific command on a theoretical knowledge. What is the main feature of the art? Management as a art. First, based on theoretical knowledge. Every individual have some theoretical knowledge in their particular field. Second category, based on practice and creativity. जो भी स्किल है और टैलेंट है इंडिविजुअल में, उसको लगातार वो प्रैक्टिस करते रहे और न्यू आइडिया इनोवेशन सोचते रहे कैसे कैसे कि हम अचीव करें ऐसे पार्टिकुलर सेट गोल को। जो भी हम लोग सीखते हैं कंसेप्ट वो सबका अलग अलग रहता है, इसीलिए थर्ड पॉइंट में आता है पर्सनल एप्लीकेशन. इट मीन डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल हैव डिफरेंट कंसेप्ट ऑफ सेम टॉपिक विच वन टॉट इन एवरी कल्चर और इंस्टीट्यूशन. अब सेकंड बात करते हैं मैनेजमेंट एज ए प्रोफेशन. फर्स्ट वी शुड नो व्हाट डू मीन प्रोफेशन. Profession is an occupation in which the individual a person have a specific skill and knowledge at a particular field, and the entry is restricted. The main feature of profession: well-defined body language. First point, it means all the professions should based on well-defined body language. Second point, entry restricted. It means all the professions should go the entry to some examination or some minimum qualification. For example, you want to go to admission in medical college in government, especially you should be qualified the exam category of NEET. Third point, professional association. It is corporate body. Every professional should be tied up or registered through the professional body. For example, a professor as a company secretary, he or she should be associate or register with Indian Institute of Company Secretary, ICSI, Institute of Company Secretary of India. Fourth point, ethical code of conduct. As the person or the profession has associated with the corporate body, he or she should follow the rules and regulations made by the corporate or association body. Fifth point, service motive. Every profession has a service motive in their particular field. Third and last category, management as a science. Science is based on systematic body of language. The main feature of science as a management. First, based on systematic body of language. It means truly based on experiment and observation. Second, principle follows the concept of experiment and observation. It means the principle applied after all this process. Universe applicable. All the principle made by after the experiment and observation is universal applicable. All the level of management, all of the level of institution, all the level of country.